Hi, I'm Kim at HP, and we are showcasing some of our new features that are available on Poly VideoOS 5.1 that's coming soon. So earlier this year, we released 5.0, which brought our second generation video bars to Android 13 platform. And these are some of our exciting features that are going to be coming on that upcoming release. So these are certified for Microsoft Teams rooms, Zoom rooms, and Google Meet, and those are going to be coming on Studio X 32, 52, 72, and then G62. So this specific feature here is for our multicam. This is Poly DirectorAI multicam, and you can set up your room with multiple cameras, and then you would switch and make sure that as you're having a conversation in the room, those cameras are going to switch between whichever is best face forward. So this helps for in the room to give that natural conversation as you're having, looking between people and cameras, and then the far end is going to always see you with your best face forward. So we're really looking at building out that better experience in the meeting rooms here. So learn more and check out this upcoming release on hp.com.